Hi guys, my name is Madeline. Today we are doing a little bird quiz. It is especially made for fieldguide level 1 students as it contains the flagship bird calls that you need to know for your electronic assessment from Fagasa. This is part 1 of 2. It contains 14 bird calls. You can always stop and listen to a call again until you have an answer. Try at least to guess, even if you're not sure. This quiz is made for you, so no need to cheat. For the calls, we're using the Robert's Bird Guide 2. The link is in the description box below. I hope you enjoyed today's quiz. Let me know how many birds you have correct and which are the bird calls you're struggling the most with. Maybe we do another video for that as well. Do not forget to check out part 2. I hope you had fun and the video helped you. If so, please give the video a thumbs up. It always means a lot if you do. Hope to see you in the comments below and in the next video.